Nice. Where'd you get the gun?
Extreme Guns and Ammo in Richmond.
Really?
You know they have tons of new and used guns, as well as all the ammunition and accessories you can imagine.
I gotta check this place out.
Yeah.
Extreme Guns and Ammo offers concealed handgun classes, which include 10 hours of training. Go online to reserve your spot today.
Wow. This place is amazing.
Extreme Guns and Ammo, your one-stop shop for guns and ammo, and now the largest LWRC dealer in Texas.